Greetings, Mayor Zach Vruwink here. I come to you on March 16th here from City Hall with an update on the coronavirus situation in Wisconsin Rapids. Yesterday, a positively tested case of travel-related coronavirus was identified in the Wisconsin Rapids area. We keep them and their family in our thoughts as they recover. The health and well-being of all our employees and residents is our top priority. To that end, I pledge to continue regular communications in times such as these as the updates become available. We want residents to remain calm and take steps to ensure the safety of themselves and their families. I encourage residents to identify a household plan of action. We must all do our part to be prepared with the resources necessary to prevent the spread of this virus. And today, I have declared a state of emergency. The purpose is not to incite panic, but to inform you as we are taking steps to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 coronavirus. This declaration will open the door for us to receive state and federal resources should they become necessary. As this pandemic has affected our employees in many ways, I will be shortly implementing a policy regarding temporary paid leave for employees who need leave, whether it be for the employee being ill, a family member being ill, a department being closed, or the need for childcare. Since last week, city departments have been coordinating internally and with other community institutions in the health department to develop plans to reduce the spread of COVID-19, as well as make sure residents receive the best possible treatment. The Vruwink Hospital has developed a surge plan to screen potential cases of COVID-19. We remind individuals to not call 911 or visit the emergency room without first calling their provider or the Aspirus hotline at 1-844-568-0701. I've made contact with the major grocery stores, and for the time being, they will continue to receive regular shipments, though constraints with some items. Please, I stress, please be reasonable when making purchases as to not negatively affect the needs of others. This situation has caused for many questions. We continue to monitor the federal government actions regarding paid sick leave and the ramifications facing many in our community. This situation has already impacted our small businesses, and I'm working with our chamber to identify resources for assistance. We're awaiting further guidance from Wood County Health and the Department of Health Services as it pertains to the operation of bars and restaurants in our community. Waterworks and lighting offices will be closed to the public, and we encourage customers to use one of the many alternative payment methods available. There's also a moratorium in place to suspend disconnect activities facing those who may be financially affected by this crisis. The Meals on Wheels congregate lunch service will continue today and tomorrow, with further updates coming. The AARP tax program has been canceled by the AARP Foundation, and we encourage those to contact the Senior Center with any questions. Our municipal library will close until further notice. Above all, be kind and considerate. Check on those who may be considered among the most vulnerable populations. Finally, dust off that honey-do list and tackle those projects at home. Avoid large gatherings. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to sharing updates as they become available.